Hey there, road warriors and safety enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something super important, the hierarchy of traffic rules in Switzerland. Understanding these rules isn't just about following the law, it's about keeping everyone safe on our roads. Let's start at the very top of the hierarchy. When you hear those sirens wailing, that's your cue. Emergency vehicles always take absolute priority. Whether it's an ambulance, fire truck, or emergency response vehicle, they're rushing to help someone in need. So make way. Next up, we have our traffic officers. When you see a police officer directing traffic, their hand signals override everything else. Yes, even traffic lights. They're there to manage unusual situations and keep traffic flowing smoothly. Speaking of traffic lights, they come third in our hierarchy. Those red, yellow, and green signals are your daily guides on the road. But remember, they only take precedence when there's no emergency vehicle or police officer present. Traffic signs are fourth in line. These silent guardians of the road provide crucial information about right-of-way. However, they step aside when any of the above authorities are in play. Finally, we have the priority to the right rule, which is the foundation of Swiss traffic law. This applies when there are no other traffic control measures in place. Always yield to vehicles coming from your right at intersections. Unless the higher-ranking rules say otherwise, here's a quick rundown of who gets priority on the road. Emergency vehicles, policemen, traffic lights, signs, and the priority to the right rule. This hierarchy helps everyone navigate Swiss roads safely and efficiently. It's like a well-orchestrated symphony where everyone knows their part. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips about Swiss traffic rules and road safety. Have you ever encountered a situation where you had to apply these rules? Share your experience in the comments below. Stay safe on the roads, and see you in the next video.